Did you know that compressed air leaks are not just wasteful, but they're also a missed opportunity for your business? If you're serious about sustainability and efficiency, it's time to take action. Today, we're diving into effective leak management strategies that can boost your bottom line. First things first, let's devise an effective strategy. The foundation of any successful maintenance program for your compressed air network lies in a solid strategic plan. So how do we start? Step one is to define your objectives. Aside from reducing energy costs and increasing your profitability, ask yourself this: what outcomes do we want from our maintenance plan? Here are some goals to consider. Drastically reduce energy costs, detect and repair leaks, and create a culture of energy consciousness within your team. Next up, let's talk about changing the culture of waste. Engage every stakeholder in identifying and eliminating waste. Implement rewards and recognition for those who excel in this area. Now, we need to reconsider your entire network. Managing a maintenance program goes beyond simply finding and fixing the leaks. Is your system designed to meet today's production capacity? It might be time for a rethink. To ensure safety, reliability, and effectiveness, let's outline a procedure. Safety. Make sure your team prioritizes safety by following a detailed inspection manual. Reliability. Schedule regular inspections, monthly for critical areas, to catch new leaks early. Effectiveness. After repairs, conduct checks to confirm that all the leaks were addressed properly. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your successes. Share your achievements with your team and management. Create visual posters that highlight your energy savings and environmental impact. This not only boosts morale, but ensures ongoing support for your initiatives from the people that write the checks. Remember, managing compressed air leaks is not just about saving money. It's about fostering a culture of efficiency and sustainability. Let's make leak management a core part of your success strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative content.